Hi everyone, thanks for joining me again. Today, I'm not painting, I'm going to continue with a bit of a drawing lesson. We're going to draw spheres. Say it after me. Sphere, I don't know why. I just don't know why. You're making myself laugh. It's going to be one of those days already and it's only 10 in the morning. Now, standard convention is that you draw a circle and then you fill it in. Okay. To make it look round, using all these tonal values that we already talked about. What I'm going to do is show you how to draw a sphere in a tonal method. So we don't outline. We just start right from the beginning by looking at the lights and the darks and all the tonal values in between. Okay? So, making sure you can still see me. You don't have to, but I like to draw a little light bulb. Here's my little light bulb. Okay, that's my light source. Okay. Think about where your light source is. If you need to grab an orange, grab a ball, grab something that's round so you have a reference. That's not a bad idea. I've done this so many times I can kind of imagine what it would look like. So we've got our light source here. Now, on the dark side, that's when you can make your Star Wars joke. The dark side. Start to add your tonal values. Can you see with my hand here in the way? Okay. So right from the beginning, I'm shading. I'm using my pencil on its side rather than like this. This is a 2B, it's a little bit softer. And light, and I start to press lighter and lighter and lighter. Okay. Now we've got this chunk here where there's no graphite at all. Your instinct might tell you, oh, we'll just draw a line. Finish that curve. You don't have to do that. Your brain will fill in that space, number one. Number two, we haven't talked about the negative space. Now, I bang on about this all the time when I'm painting. You need that negative space. You need that uninhabited space in order to help create the positive space, the object that you're drawing. So that's when you can take your pencil and lightly shade up. Sorry, I'm probably blocking what I'm drawing. Now, yes, I am following the contour. Yes, I kind of drew a line, but it's more about the approach. It's more about the awareness that this is an area of tonal value rather than having to draw a line and fill it in after. Okay? And then I need the shadow here. So right now, these grays are pretty gray, meaning that they're pretty much in the middle of our tonal scale. There's nothing very dark, there's nothing very light, so it still looks pretty flat. So let's put some darks in. Okay, and as I go towards the side where it's getting lighter and lighter, I just press lighter and lighter with my pencil. Okay, so this is a really good exercise to practice excuse me, your hand control. Okay, so our light source is right there, so this is going to be darker. The shadow is going to go this way. Okay, and then we can, if we want to, we can continue with the negative space. Make this a bit darker. Now this is where you can use the tip of your pencil, sharpen up that edge. So we don't talk about lines anymore, we talk about edges. You see what I just did there? I use the tip of my pencil, and you have to make sure, however much pressure you're using, you're not creating an outline. You're not pressing so hard that you're creating an outline. You're just tidying up the edges. So you press really, really, really lightly. So I still don't have an outline. Okay, there. It's not looking too bad. And you see how I'm just fixing this? It's kind of like it's lumpy shaped rather than ball shaped. And this is the beauty of drawing in a tonal method, because it's really easy to just change a shape. Right? I could very easily make this kind of an egg shape if I want. Pardon my hand, I'm probably blocking it, blocking your view. There, kind of an egg shape. Don't forget my shadows. Now, of course, down here is going to be the darkest area, and it's going to get lighter and lighter and lighter. Don't dent your paper. If you feel like you need to get darker, remember, you've got all these pencils, anywhere from HB to 9B. Or maybe you do. Maybe you don't. So in that case, just lots of layers. If you've only got one pencil, just layer your graphite. Okay? You don't have to get that perfect tone right from the beginning. There. Kind of an egg shape. That's not too bad. So you see how easy it is to manipulate your image if you haven't drawn an outline to begin with. So that's all for today. Thank you very, very much for tuning in. Remember, as always, don't forget to subscribe, and please leave comments because I like reading them. All right, have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.